All right, y'all. Traded the rehab day 3. Today took 2 trades again. Um, Made a little profit early on, gave some of it back, so I'm sitting around break even today. Sitting around. Let's see here. Let me take a look. See if y'all can see that. Hold up. So 0.3%. Nothing great. Almost got myself in a little bit of trouble. Had to kind of work my way out of it. Almost went red on the day. Holding, hoping, not getting out when I was supposed to. Today we traded WHWK. Here's the entries and exits from this morning. Right, started off all right, made a little bit, but then kind of gave it back. Trading around that whole dollar level, which I shouldn't have done. Then I took a couple small scalps on SCNX. Just added a little bit of change there. So let's go over that. Today was kind of slow, so I'm just kind of looking for anything at this point. I sat down today. I think I want to say around 8:50, 8:45, something like that. Here's the trades for WHWK. I noticed that there's a gap right here in this area that need to be filled. I think that gap was around $4 or something like that. That was kind of already filled by the time I got there. That's me going back looking at the news. It's a biotech company. Uh, Adoption of AI, some crap. So I took a trade there. Hold on, let's see what happens there. I might have got off of that one. I think I stopped out of that. So I get in here 410. I get off at 409. Stopped out. As it perks back up, I believe I get back in it again here. Nope. And so now I'm trying to get in. I'm long here. 415. It kind of teleports up into 450. I get off that. Got out 41 and 40 on that. Entry at 415. So now I'm like, okay, maybe I'll be able to wrangle in some money today. I believe I start giving it back. Let's see here. Let's get to that. So I'm looking for that buy off of this dip here. Now I have my channel laid out. I think it's going to be a little bit lower, but this looks like sort of a quick pullback I could take in order on. I get a little bit of it just to get my feet wet. Get off it quickly. I'm looking to get back in as I see it start to perk up a little bit after I got off it, but I'm a little late. And then I believe I end up giving back some of it here. I'm in 410. This thing drops down to 4. I should have been off of this already. So I really just got to be a little bit more ruthless about my stops. And then when I'm underwater like that and I get back to break even or anywhere around it, I need to just have the confidence to just say, you know what, let me just get off of it and reset. I'm playing around this whole dollar level, which I really don't like to do. So I lost most of my profit there on that last trade. I believe I tried to get back in here. I'm in here, 392, looking to take a dip buy off of this trend level here, trend line. Where I messed up is I didn't wait for it to turn and wait for the confirmation of it to turn. I try to anticipate it and got myself in trouble here. Looking for the move back up and through 4. Not a lot of volume. At least not volume as comparable as the last bigger spikes. And then we also have some pin bars at the top that tells me that it may not want to be at that level. So now I'm just kind of in trouble underwater here. I should have been off of this already and just took the loss. Clearly that trend line is deeper than I thought it was. So I have to adjust it. But I should have been off of it already. So I adjusted the trend line. It looks a little better. There's really no excuse for that, though. I should have been off of that. I should have stopped out. Got to stick to the program. Comes back a little bit for me. It's just not enough for me to really gain any real profit. Comes back a little bit. I take off. Just trying to save the day. And now I'm just looking to just kind of finagle anything I possibly can. I'm in this trade way too long. It eventually comes back a little bit for me. And I end up just kind of getting out, break even. Just trying to save the day. All right, this move is over. All right, I missed it. You can see I'm a little depressed. Like, oh man, I missed that move. I pop over. I see SCNX popping up, low price. I got a little bit of buying power left, so I punch it. Get off it quickly. I think I punched it one more time. Yeah, I hit it one more time. Couple shares. And that is it. That is it. So not a great day, not a horrible day where we went backwards. Just got to stay here in the saddle until the market heats up a little bit and it gets in my favor. That's just how it is. So that's day 3, Trader Rehab day 3. So we're going to be here probably for another week until I make back that big loss from last Wednesday, where it was like $20 or something like that. All right, and it's all in proportion to, I've had bigger accounts than this, but yeah, I just want to practice and continue to grow with these smaller accounts, and I don't have anything at risk like that. This way I can kind of trade and not feel like I'm blowing the bank up before I start to level this up. Once we get into a hotter period, when I'm feeling really confident, I'll toss some more money into this account, and then we'll get a little bit more aggressive. So yeah, that's it. This is Trader Rehab day 3. All right, sort of a break-even day, small gain on the day. I'll take it over a red day. And what day is today? Thursday. I'll be back. Am I gonna trade tomorrow? I guess I'll trade tomorrow. We'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. Fridays are historically my sort of landmine days, but we'll see how it goes. All right, so that's it for me. It's Trader Rehab, day 3. Trader Blaze. Yeah, and I'm out. I'll catch y'all tomorrow, man. All right, peace.